It's Black Friday morning, but not a lot going on outside in a lot of the roads, and not a lot going on for the weather either. You see outside here in Hanover, dark skies, dry though, but we do have some clouds overhead. When we look at our almanac yesterday for Thanksgiving, we had a high of 65 degrees, so that was pretty mild, pretty warm. You see there the record high is 71, though the record high for Thanksgiving warmth was actually 70 back in 1979. So again, yesterday was definitely on track to be one of our warmer Thanksgivings yet. So for current temperatures right now, again, most of the area staying in the low 50s right now, but you'll see a cooler spot down in York at 40 and then 48 in Biglerville. And so really just anywhere where there are those breaks in the clouds, that's where those temperatures are falling more into the 40s. But most of the area is actually fairly cloudy right now, seeing some breaks up to the northern part of the state, even a little bit back out to the western part of the state. You also notice in the western part of the state just a little bit of precipitation there. Much of that precipitation is not going to reach the ground out in the western part of the state or even here in the mid-state. Now, we do have the cold front that moved out of the area. That's really what brought the rain for Wednesday, even into yesterday morning. Behind that, we are having this high pressure system really control the weather for the rest of the weekend. That's really what's going to help keep us dry, keep us mild. But we do still have those mixture of clouds and sun as we have some clouds out west, and even ahead of this next cold front, the clouds stay in the picture, and that's going to be the case throughout Saturday morning. And it's not going to drop to be too much cooler once we have that cold front come through, and you will see that here. So we stay in the 50s today for a high, mostly cloudy, do have a little bit of breaks in the clouds there. Then by Saturday morning and even by Saturday at noon, you start to see those temperatures in the lower 50s. So that's all that cold front brings. It's just a drop of a few degrees for getting into Saturday. Now, if you haven't gotten your Christmas tree yet or any other outdoor activities, Black Friday shopping, anything you're going out to do, it's going to be really pleasant for your weekend weather. So again, today we're going to be warmer at 56 into the lower 50s for the rest of the weekend. And behind that for your 7-day, look at Monday. That's when we see our next system. So we have rain. It's going to be pretty windy. It's going to be just a lot different than what we're seeing this weekend. So take advantage of this warmer, milder weekend, this dry weekend, because behind that we do have that storm and then temperatures dropping back into the 40s, closer to where we should be for this time of year, Janelle.